Hello everyone, my name is Mr. John here at Puzzle Box Academy and I teach 4th and 5th grade. And today we are going to talk about our expressive writing program. So with expressive writing, first we teach the kids how to properly write a sentence. And within that we talk about who the subject or what the subject is in a sentence and what that person or thing is doing. The end goal is for the kids to be able to come up with writing a story based off of a prompt or a picture. So the kids have workbooks that they work out of, and in the workbooks it starts off with like the very first slice. The very first slice on the workbook is pretty much they're like a correct form of a paragraph, and it shows them what incorrect paragraph will look like. And with this, they will edit through the sentences that show where the periods are supposed to go and how you start off a paragraph with a capital letter and then period at the end of the sentence. After that, the kids will go into talking about something that reports or does not report in a sentence. And what that is pretty much is they get a picture and they have to say like, what's in the picture. So when it reports, it shows what comes directly out of this picture, not some made up something that they made up in their head. It has to be directly from this picture. So that's how we start off with expressive writing. And then we talk about present tense and past tense, so that way the kids know like what this person is doing or what they already did. And that also goes in with writing your story. With each lesson, however, we have a timing for it. And with the timing, that pretty much means, yes, the kids know it, they're accurate, they're 100%, but can they fluently correct the sentence, or can they fluently talk about the subject of each sentence? So we do timings for each lesson that we have. So if we start off with the first lesson, there's a timing that matches that lesson. And then we'll keep going, the kids will gradually go up until they slice out of each lesson. And we have a chart, which is over here. It's hung up in the classroom, and the chart will pretty much show like they started off at this lesson, they sliced out, they move forward. If a kid does not slice out on a certain lesson, which means they did not hit their targeted aim, we will continue working on it until they're all the way fluent. Also, in our writing language block, we work on something called transcription. And what transcription is pretty much they have a story at their grade level, and it is another timing, and they're writing from the book. Pretty much we count how many letters they can write in 1 minute. A lot of the kids need that as a prereq in order to write sentences, and then those sentences turn into stories. So that is all for expressive writing. Thank you for being here with me today, and I hope to see you soon.